In this tutorial we are going to use Google Earth Pro in order to create a track animation and then export it as a video. Welcome to GeoCarto, a channel dedicated to GIS, cartography and geoscience. So subscribe if you want to get more tutorials. So the first thing that we are going to do is to create a track that we are going to use for our animation inside of Google Earth Pro. So in order to do this, we are going to use this website, Curvature. Click on the link under the description below. The interface of this website is pretty simple. So we are going to enter the name of our start point, name of our place. So for me, I will use this track from this village into this one. So I will first type the name of this village. It's this one. As you can see, the website already knows this village. I will just click on it. So this is my starting point. I will go ahead and put my end point, which is in my case in this village of Termen. So I will come here and type in Termen, and there we go. I will select it and the website creates my track. So I will go ahead and click on calculate route, and then I will click on export. For the export, make sure that the format is a GPX format. For export, select track and count. Then just click on export. You will get your GPX file as a download. So this is the file that I got from the Curvature website. So after that, we are going to open Google Earth Pro. So now I will go ahead and import our GPX file. In order to do this, head over to File and then click on Open. Then navigate to where you saved your GPX file, and then here for the format, change it to all files, and here we go. As you can see, your GPX file will appear. Click on it and then click on Open. So you will get this window. Make sure that Create KML track selected, and then adjust altitude to ground height. Then click on OK. Now Google Earth will zoom in to our track. Now we will go ahead and change the styling of this track. In order to do this, go to your GPX file, this one, right click on it and go to properties. And we will click on style color. For the color of our track, I will change it to red. Then I will click on OK. For the width, I will go with 20. As you can see, the track is changing its style automatically. For the opacity, I will let it to 60. For the label, I will eliminate this one. To do this, I will put 0 the opacity. And for the icon, I can change it from here. I will go with the triangle. We'll just change its color. I will put it to blue, and then I will click on OK. Then I will click on OK to finish my modifications. In order to play our animation, go ahead and click on this small button just next to your GPX file, and then go ahead and click on your track. Then click on this button, Play Tool. Now Google Earth Pro is calculating the animation. And here we go. As you can see, now Google Earth is animating our track. Now we will go ahead and change the parameters for this animation. For example, the altitude of the camera and other parameters. So in order to do this, click again on your track and go to Tools, then click on Options and go to Touring. From here you can play with your animation, change the camera tilt angle, and for camera range you can also change it. For the speed, we can speed our animation. We can also change the camera range. So if you want to record your animation, start by placing your animation where you want to start recording. Then click on this Record Detour button. Then click on this button in order to start recording. and then play your animation. At the end, just click on this stop recording button and then click on this save button, and here you get your recording. You can name it, for example, animation 1 for me, and then click on OK. There we go, got your file here. Now we are going to save our animation as a video. The first thing to do is to close this window and then select your recording of your animation, then go to tools and then click on movie maker. Okay, we will select our animation 1. Here you can specify where you want to save your video, name it, and then click on save. Here you can choose the resolution of your video. For me, I will go with 1080p. For the file type, I will read it to H264, and for the picture quality, I will get it to high. Then I will click on create movie. Now just wait until the movie is recorded. So at the end, you will get your video. Double click on it to open it, and here we go. You got your animation as a video. So I hope that you got some value from this tutorial. If so, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more of this kind of tutorials.